Yeah, I could sell it.
All right. So I can buy the property with like, is it rented out or are you living there?
So it's actually a rental for me.
It's actual rental property. And the rental property you have, it has 3 beds and 3 full bathrooms, right?
Correct.
Correct. And what is the condition of this property?
Pretty good, I'd say.
Pretty good. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate the condition?
14.
14. Oh, it's more than good. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good.
So who's
like,
calling me?
if I make you an
Who are
offer-
you?
I'm sorry?
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Marcus. I'm actually a property buyer and investor. I'm looking for some off-market properties in Florida, in Palm City. So, and I saw your property. Like, to be honest with you, your property is one of my top 10 lists. So.
Really? Do you live in Palm City?
I'm not living in Palm City, but I am about to live in Palm City. That's why I'm buying some properties over there.
Oh, wow. Where do you live now?
Yeah. I live in Georgia right now.
Georgia? Oh, cool.
Yeah. So let's say if I make you an offer on this property and my offer will make sense to you, how much time you will take to close the deal with me?
I mean, pretty quick. What was your name again?
It's Marcus.
Marcus? Okay, Marcus. Yeah. Let's talk.
Should I reach you back at the same number?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. And this is the best, and what's the best time for me to call you, sir?
The best what?
What is the best time for me to call you?
I mean, we're talking now, aren't we?
I need to value the property first, and then I'll get back to you. What's the best time, like, for me to call you, give you a call?
Anytime.
Anytime, okay. And if you don't mind telling me, Dennis, is there any specific reason you can sell that you are like selling this property?
I don't know. Just to get an offer.
Like if you get the right price for the property, you'll sell it.
I guess so. I mean, are you going to be wholesaling this deal, or are you going to buy it yourself?
I'm buying it for myself.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you the fair market value depending on the condition and the worth of the property.
Perfect, Marcus.
It will be a fair market value. Are you okay? Are you ready to deal with me according to that?
Yeah, that's good for me. Marcus, I've been talking to some other people. They told me to verify that anyone who's trying to buy my house owns real estate. Do you own real estate in Palm City?
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Here?
Do you own real estate in
Yes,
Palm City?
Not right now, but I am about to buy some properties in Palm City.
Okay, do you own any real estate?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. Well, can you tell me the address so I can verify you're a real cash buyer?
I'm sorry?
Can you give me an address of one property you own so I can verify that you own real estate?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I want to make sure that you own real
property that
estate.
I own.
If you're going to give me an offer on my house, I want to make sure you own real estate. You just said you owned real estate, so I just want to make sure you're not
Yeah,
lying
I
to
do.
me. Can you give me an address so I
I'm
can
not lying to
verify?
you. Why would I lie to you, sir? Tell me, why would I lie to you?
Well, what's the address of one piece of real estate you own?
It's in Washington.
Washington, what's the address?
You can, okay, it's 207.
Yeah, so 201, it says Nicholas and Megan on the property.
Sorry?
It says Nicholas on the property. Your name's Marcus.
Yeah.
So are you Marcus or Nicholas?
Sir, what do you want to know? Tell me exactly.
So the owner is Nicholas and Megan property.
Yeah. I just bought that property from them.
Oh, perfect. So you bought it from them.
Exactly.
Good. Good to know. Alrighty, perfect. Yeah. So yeah, I'll sell the house.
Alright. Okay. I'll get back to you with the offer, okay?
Alright, go calculate it.
And do you have any asking price on this property?
Nah, just tell me what you want.
I'm sorry?
Just tell me what you want to buy it for.
Oh wait, I'll offer you the fair market value.
Okay. What's the fair market?
Alrighty?
Okay.
Alright. Have a great day.
Man, why would he lie about that? That's crazy. Maybe he just bought it, but We'll see. I'll look it up.
Ready to call me, so
Oh, okay.
4:30.
All right, we're fine.
I feel like this lady's wasting my time. She goes, I want to look at all the paperwork. I'm not doing all that.
No, we'll talk.
Like you to-
So, FYI, guys, that is a wholesaler trying to talk to me. A little aggressive. No rapport building on there. Kind of interesting, right?
Yeah, very.
One of the properties that is kind of interesting. I just get cold calls. I'm like, you know what? I was about to record a video. I got the camera rolling. I'm like, let's have a conversation. So let's kind of analyze that situation. Maybe he actually owns that house. I mean, I don't think he owns it, but I mean, hey, I could be wrong. He could own it, but he sounded very. The way he answered it when I said, "Well, give me an address you own." It's kind of interesting. I mean, he went from VA and he was pretty believable on the phone to me, so it was kind of interesting. But it's just, when I have a cold caller cold calling me, I like to push them. I like to see their skills. I like to see where they're at. Rick's setting up. He's got to call a lead with someone in Flipbook Plus, so he's getting that all set up. But it's always interesting when someone calls you, right? They cold call you, and he went straight into the close, which is very interesting, right? He never asked me really much about the condition. I just said 14. He said, okay. He just believed it. And he said he has to calculate his offer. Not bad. I was just kind of interesting to see his virtual closing pitch there. So it was very interesting to see that. Apparently he owns the house now, or he bought it. I can kind of go into there. So if it's in Renton, I can go to public records and just see if he bought it. Hello, hey, is this Meg?
Yes.
Hello, hi. I'm just trying to verify. Are you still the owner of 201?
Why are you asking?
Because somebody claimed to own the property, and I don't believe they did. His name is Marcus. I believe you're the owner. Am I correct?
I don't know who Marcus is. I don't know why you need to know if I own the house or not.
Because they told me they own it, and I'm just trying to verify them as a real estate investor, and their name's not on the deed, and I see a Megan Miller. I'm just trying to confirm if the owner or not. It's public record. I just want to verify it.
Well, if it's public record, then it sounds like you know.
Yeah, well, he said he just bought it, so the deed didn't get transferred over yet, and the property appraiser didn't move over.
He definitely did not buy that house.
That's what I'm just verifying. Thank you for your time. I will not bother you again. So the point of this video is not to expose a wholesaler, but I get cold calls like this all the time, and I just want to show, be a man of your word. You're going to go a lot farther. Did you see? Yeah, I kind of hit the guy a little hard, but hey, you want to buy my rental property? I'm always going to be able to buy it. I know for a fact here that wholesaler most likely had a lead and he spit out a property like that. The problem is in this business, I do not like liars, and I don't think liars go well. And this is an important lesson for you to know. So when you cold call like this, yes, it's important to get on to the next phone call and try not to sell right there. Once you start lying to your seller and you create phony scenarios, you're not going to go far. The guy was acting like he was trying to close me right there and then backed off real quick. He did good on the MCTP. Give it to him, and he had an accent. So whatever cold call or acquisitions person they have is pretty impressive. But if you're the wholesaler watching this, don't be cold calling like this. Don't say, hey, I'm going to move to Palm City. Are you really going to move to Palm City, or you're just saying you're doing it? Because you say you live in Georgia, you're buying properties in Washington. If you got to talk, you got to walk the walk. Use the other examples and you'll be good to go. So I'm not here to expose anyone, make fun of anyone, but just a lesson to show my reaction to some of these wholesalers that aren't trained at freewholesaling.com, and really how you need to go to freewholesaling.com to learn how to cold call the right way for wholesaling success. So guys, I know this is kind of a weird video, but if you got any value, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Just trying to show exactly where wholesaling is and where wholesaling needs to be in the future. Don't be like Marcus and start getting some wholesaling deals done. Go to freewholesaling.com and I'll see you soon. Thanks.